Okay, it's out. Thank you.
Oh, there's another wire. There's weirdness happening right there.
It's a little rat's nest of wire.
Yeah. Runs over here. Runs over here.
Probably
Here.
goes to the windshield wiper motor.
Is it these here? Is it blower motor?
It might be. I thought we disconnected that though.
Blower motors.
It's not. What color is that? Hold your light down there. So
It's covered in.
it's worn right there. You got a multitude of wires.
Green, yellow, red, 2 blacks.
A veritable plethora of wires. Now, do we really need to disconnect that?
Well, it's wired in with this.
There's blower motor, so that's off. Where's that harness going? Oh, fuck.
Okay. So.
If you disconnect it,
Hold on.
Take
That goes
one
down.
off of there.
That goes down into the back.
that looks like a fusible link.
Is this?
But I'm thinking it's a little bit of a mess right now, but like.
It should disconnect that.
Is that our rear lights? Because it goes down right here.
Yeah, probably.
And I can't see it on this side. There's nothing here. So that
I
tells
think
me
that
I bet
should
it's the rear lights.
disconnect.
That's the harness for the back.
Now you're down to like one wire.
Yeah, but you're still connected.
Am I though?
We'll see in a minute.
Do you want
right?
pliers? I got pliers.
I was really hoping.
This is He-Man in it.
You.
Scalpel.
Wait, there's 2 sets
Scalpel.
of pliers.
Yeah.
Pliers.
This one's got
Pliers.
a naughty part on it.
Doctor.
Okay, we found He-Man. Where's Skeletor?
None.
Telling obscene jokes and running away. Until next time.
When I ruptured my bicep, I lost coordination.
Sorry.
Yeah.
That one broke too?
No, it's not broke, but it's not
It's kind of stuck.
This
wanting to
boy-
participate.
Let's make it so, number 1.
Make it so.
It's exactly correct.
Bing. You're like, son of a bitch.
Son of beach.
Son of beach shit. I like how we both
Ta-da!
got that.
Oh, there you go.
Freedom. Sweet
No, we
freedom.
just got to remember how the hell these all went together.
They're color coded.
It's colored.
Yeah, we'll figure that out. I'm actually not that bad at that. That's all clean.
Yep.
So we can actually take yours and go up
We're up and
Pretty
out,
sure.
boys.
and then out through the windshield.
Hold on, let me back up. Da da da! Da da da! Dun 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 dun. Victory! What a day! Tom's here!
Wait, you want it, Chuck?
Up against tires over by the cow.
Yeah.
But don't scratch the doors.
Wow! Good job.
Soon Chuck won't have any.
Bang up work.
I know. We're going to have to buy him a warehouse.
Let's go see what we got in the car. Nothing! Look at that!
Bobby, it's easier to get to the brake master cylinder bolts.
So we need to fix that before we put the dash back so I can actually not be inverted.
South of the border.
You mean put the bolt back?
Oh yeah, we have
We
to do
cut
that.
off?
Yeah, we'll fix that.